Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Nurturemind, where we provide informative videos on health and lifestyle. In this video, we are going to talk about the fruit Buddha's hand. Before proceeding further, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video notifications. In case you want to dislike our videos, first watch all our videos and then tell us a reason to dislike. In this way, we can improve in the upcoming videos. Buddha's hand or fingered citron is a fruit that you may not even have heard about. The fruit is named such because the fruit is separated into long, thin sections that resemble the fingers of a human hand. Native to India or China, as most citron varieties are, Buddha's hand has long been used in religious ceremonies, possibly due to the importance of Buddha's open hand to the Buddhist faith. However, this fruit has also been used for perfumes, giving its sweet citrusy smell, and can also be consumed for medicinal purposes. It has very little juice and typically no seeds and a bitter sweet pulp, so the consumption hasn't become widespread and its distribution is still somewhat limited. It majorly grows in the temperate regions of China and India. The root and the fruit itself can be used for various number of medicinal purposes. Benefits of Buddha's hand. It relieves pain. For thousands of years, Buddha's hand has been termed for pain relief, mainly due to the chemical composition of the fruit. This includes thaumin, limonene, and diosmin in combination with its anti-inflammatory capacity. Buddha's hand is able to relieve swelling and pain caused by everything from injuries and surgeries to simple bangs and bruises, and was often believed to speed up wound healing and bruises. Treats respiratory issues. Buddha's hand is most commonly used for respiratory conditions. Buddha's hand acts as an expectorant. So, if you are suffering from excess cough and phlegm, then it can be a quick, painless remedy. Soaking the fruit in a bowl with water and sugar can make it even more effective for consumption. Reduces gastrointestinal issues. If you are suffering from an upset stomach, diarrhea, cramping, bloating, or constipation, Buddha's hand can provide an effective remedy that eases inflammation in the stomach lining and soothes the intestinal muscles so that digestion and excretion can occur normally. Eliminates menstrual discomforts. For women suffering from extremely strong menstrual periods in terms of cramps, bleeding, and mood swings, Buddha's hand has long been used as a natural remedy. The anti-inflammatory nature of the fruit combined with some of the other antioxidant qualities of the fruit make it a perfect solution for this problem. Boosts immunity. A specific polysaccharide found in this fruit is specifically linked to stimulating macrophage activity and boosting the speed and efficiency of the immune system. Although this fruit is seen as more of a preventive measure to keep your immune system strong, Buddha's hand should be taken when suffering from cold and flu, as it speeds up the recovery. Lowers blood pressure. The alcohol extract from Buddha's hand behaves as a vasodilator, relaxing and dilating coronary blood vessels. It increases circulation, effectively lowering blood pressure and reduces chances of a heart attack or stroke. This significantly lowers the strain on the cardiovascular system and promotes a long-term and healthy lifestyle.